Back to the channel. Today is July 16. The question is step-by-step direction from a binary tree node to another. Alright, so given questions that given a binary tree, you want also given a start value and an end value, you want to find the shortest path starting from node S and ending at node T. And then you would generate the step-by-step direction using L, which is left child, right child, or going to parent nodes. So let's say we wanted to find 3 to 6. So this will be going up to the parents, which is UU, and then going to the right child, and then going to the left child. Right. So let's look at the drawing diagram. So in this case, we can find the approach is like we want to know we're going up, and then we're going down here, going left here, right? So one thing we can do is to find the lowest common ancestor, where in this case we can see that this is the common ancestor from both 3 and 6, right? So we can do, if we're going left, and then this is left, and then this is right, left, and then we found a common ancestor. So whatever from the destination path will change from the left or right to up, because we know that anything from here, from the common going to the common ancestor will be going up. And then everything from here, the ancestor going down will just be the path from the ancestor going to the destination node. So in this case, it will be right, left. And then this part will just be U, which is up. All right, let's look at the other example. So let's say if we want to go from start is here and then destination is here, we don't have to go all the way up until this point, right? Because our lowest common ancestor is now at this point, right? So the path from here, the path from the start to the lowest common ancestor, this will just going up, and then this will just going right. The other case is this, right? So the case is where you have an S and a D. So you know that this is the common ancestor for this one, and then you can just go up once. All right. So I highly use the editorial for the lowest common ancestor here. So basically, I may just also just copy a note here and tell you what's going on. So for the main function, you want to find the lowest common ancestor for the start value, and the dest value. So you want to go down, and then you have the path to start and then path to destination. So after that, you use the 5 path from the lowest common ancestor to the start and destination nodes. So as I said, if you go all the way the path to the start, it will just turn everything to be U. So it's appends each step to go up from the start to the lowest common ancestor. So whatever from here, even though this is left in the beginning, and I'll now change to right depending on the length of the path to start. And then we extend, which means we combine the path to destination, which is right, left. So in the end, you get the right, up, right, left. Yep. So in order to do this, we also need a helper method called find lowest common ancestor. So what this find lowest common ancestor does is that it goes down to the node and then find the common ancestor. So if both value found, and then this is lowest common ancestor. If not, then you want to go down to the right or the left to find the common ancestor. And at the end, we also need the last helper method. It's called find path. So what find path is, we given them a node, a target value, and a path, and then we try to ask them to go and find it. So we'll call this where we need to find a path, and then it will just return true or false if it's found or not found. Okay. This is the all of content today. I think this is pretty quick and it's just a lot of code, mainly from the editorial. And I believe you need to spend more time on understanding the concept, the concept, and then actually coding it out. So coding this part is kind of difficult. I'm not very good in binary tree, so this also take me a while to understand everything. So yeah, good luck on this, and I'll see you all tomorrow.